back at the laboratory, workshop. So I've gone ahead and removed the main assembly screws that are holding the DJI Phantom together, and they're all fairly easy to take out using Allen keys. As a 2mm and a 1.5mm hex head. You may need, which I found was useful, is a flathead, a mini screwdriver flathead. Did I have to use a mini screwdriver Phillips? Yes, I did. But anyways, so have gone ahead and done that carefully without having to break anything. And it's mainly held together now just by clips, and out she comes. So this is nothing but the shell. I have taken off these two screws here because I may need to go ahead and feed the there's an LED strip that goes inside these legs. I think they turn blue. So we'll just put this over here for now and take a look at what we've got left and bring R2D2, number 5. So it looks to me that if you notice with the housing here, it does come with the 2 optical sensors, and although I do see sensors here and here, but if you look down into here, these are some kind of I think it's the down-facing camera. There's 2 of them, so it may have to be maybe something more than just optical. But anyway, you see these ones here on the body that came, just the housing itself does not have those particular lenses. So I'm just going to replace this whole shell, which should be fairly easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws or hex heads, and then to go ahead and wire up. Oh, there's the LED strip on one of the leads coming out, so that will slide up into the one of the legs. The other one looks like it's broken off. Oh no, I do have a piece of it. That doesn't look like an LED to me. Oh, maybe it is. Anyway, so that goes in one of the other legs, if I remember where that goes. Anyway, I'll figure that out at some point. This one I know has to do with this. Anyway, back to the game at hand. So dismantle this, take this and put that in here, and then take the next step after that.